In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy any LinkedIn post. If you want to save a LinkedIn post, share it with someone else, or keep it for reference later, the process is very simple. LinkedIn gives you a built-in option to copy the direct link to a post, and if needed, you can also save this content visually with a screenshot. I'll walk you through both of those options in a clear and practical way. First, open LinkedIn and go to your feed. This is the main homepage where posts from your network, followed creators, and companies appear. Once you're on the feed, scroll until you find the post you want to copy. Take a second here to make sure it's the exact post you need, especially if there are multiple similar updates from the same person or company. Next, look at the top right area of that post and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional actions related to that specific post. It's a common place on LinkedIn for options like saving, reporting, or managing how you interact with content. So if you've never used it before, that's where you'll usually find more controls. After clicking the three dots, look for the option that says Copy Link to Post and select it. Once you click that, LinkedIn copies the post's direct URL to your clipboard. From there, you can paste it anywhere you want, such as in a message, an email draft, a notes app, or a document. This is the best method if you want to bear the original post while keeping it clickable and easy for others to open. If your goal is not to copy the link, but instead to keep a visual version of the post, you can also take a screenshot. This can be useful if you want to save the design, the text layout, or an image exactly as it appears on screen. Before taking the screenshot, it helps to make sure the post is fully visible and centered so nothing important gets cut off. Then capture the screen using your device's screenshot tool. That's all there is to it. To recap, go to your LinkedIn feed, find the post, open the three-dot menu, and choose Copy Link to Post. If you need a visual copy instead, just take a screenshot. Both options are quick, and each works well depending on whether you need a shareable link or a saved image version of the post.